at a roll racing event at our local track. A lot of cool cars here, a lot of fast cars. I'm only running maybe 400-ish on a good day. Check that out. Dope. But we're gonna be running Paul in this S3, first run of the day. We'll see how we do. I've never really been to a roll racing event, so I guess it's gonna be a little different than a drag racing event. All right, guys, first run of the day. We've been in line for about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so the line's really not all that bad. Well, why does it take 10 minutes to stage? You're doing a roll race, buddy. Take fucking 10 minutes to stage. Spun out on that one big time. Cold tires. All right, Supra's got a contender here. There we go. Stock motor, 6466 rotated. How much power are you looking at? What?
Claiming 500.
500.
The virtual dyno and made a peak of 604.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Damn, 600 wheel. All right, I'm only around 4-ish, so yeah.
But you have the automatic.
I know.
Your car.
Yeah. How'd you guys do?
It was actually really close, guys.
Oh, really?
I locked out a 4.
Oh, yeah.
So it made it really even.
Gotcha. We're gonna have lunch and then go back again.
Yeah, I hit rev limiter too. When I dropped back, I was like, oh.
Here we go. We are running next to a GT500, the new one. I already know I'm gonna get smoked so bad it's not even funny, but oh well. It's just cool. It's not every day you get a chance to run next to a cool guy too. fast. Oh, the road is bumpy. Oh, shit. Damn, told you, that dude smoked me so bad. All right, guys, round 2. Hopefully we don't get that throttle closure issue like we did last time. The car took off pretty good though, I'm not gonna lie, but man, I really hate that. This car really needs a retune. Trying to get that body tune hopefully sometime soon. But until then, we're gonna run what we got. Closer look, stock motor, 6466. Man.
Needs the Bader touch though.
Yeah. Hey Bader, hook it up, man. All right. Next up, we got a BMW M2 or M235i. I don't know which one. There's no badging on it, but. It's cool. Looks like my outside cam is dead. I forgot to bring the other battery. It is what it is, but we're racing against a BMW 1M, I think. Yeah, it's a 1M. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see how we do against a 1M. I think it's powered by N55. Sorry, I don't know my BMWs too well. But it should be cool. See a N55 against a B58.
Go!
Next run, we are running next to an Audi. I think it's an S7. I think it's a V8, a turbocharged V8. So definitely down on power against the Audi, but we'll see how we do. Ah, shit, I forgot to record. All right, beat that S7. Got him by a few cars. Let's see if someone recorded it for me. All right, sorry I didn't record that run. So next up, we got a, I think it's a Chevy SS. I think you don't see too many of those around. But hopefully my battery lasts for this last run that we're gonna do. I'm just tired. Time to go home. I'll tell you one thing, these roll races go a hell of a lot faster than normal drag racing. That is for sure. We usually stay in line for about 20 minutes, and next thing you know, it's our turn. next race, we got a 350 horsepower Honda Civic. Let's see how we do. Definitely has the weight advantage over me, that's for sure. Well, I think probably weighs about 2,000 pounds. We will see. Alright guys, so that is it for the event. There's a car that went off track all the way down there. I don't know, maybe his brakes failed or something, but it caught the grass on fire. I think it was like an older Camaro. I think it's actually right there when it's coming down the track right now. But yeah, short video for you guys. I didn't film much, sorry about that. You know, I just wanted to focus more on, you know, the actual event, but had a good time. I really like these road racing events, never been to one. Hope to plan to go to more. But yeah, pretty cool. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace out, guys.